So let's go ahead and install ReScript and ReScript React. So we're going to run our first command, npm create ReScript-app at latest. And we're just going to follow the prompts. It has detected a package.json file, which means that we already have an existing project. So yes, we want to integrate with that. And we are going to go with the latest stable version of ReScript and the latest core version as well. And we're going to be putting our source files in the source folder, so we'll go ahead with that. And we're going to use ES modules. And I don't think I want to check in generated code, so we're not going to check that in. Okay, great, that's integrated. All right, next thing we're going to do is integrate ReScript React. So let's go ahead and do that by running this command. And it has added a package, so we're good to go. Let's take a look at the output. So now we have ReScript and ReScript React installed. Let's take a look at what was done. So we have this demo.res file. We can go ahead and delete that. It's not necessary for us. And we can see that the gitignore file was modified to ignore generated ReScript or generated files from ReScript files. And then also there has been the addition of some ReScript scope commands to our package.json. So we have anything with res : has been added by ReScript. So we have a build, clean, and dev commands. Lastly, we have the addition of this rescript.json file, and we're going to have to modify this slightly. Let's put in the JSX version 4, and then also we'll have to add to the BS dependencies ReScript React. And with that, we are good to go.